Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are showcasing a gingivoplasty procedure using the Yoshida CO2 Laser to correct an uneven and overgrown gum line. I'm Raymond Lee from Dental Solution USA. In this initial pre-op view, take a close look at the patient's uneven gum line. Notice how the asymmetrical margins clearly create the appearance of short clinical crowns before we begin. Before performing the gingivoplasty, the surgical area is first broadly irradiated using Mode 2, which is designed for tissue vaporization. The laser is set to SP1 Super Pulse mode, and the handpiece is moved quickly across the gingival surface. This pre-irradiation helps reduce surface bacteria. At this stage, the actual gingivoplasty is performed. In Incision Mode at 2 watts in continuous wave, the clinician carefully removes and reshapes excess gingival tissue to create a more natural and symmetrical gingival contour. Because the CO2 laser energy is highly absorbed by water and soft tissue, it allows precise tissue removal while simultaneously providing coagulation, which helps maintain a relatively blood-free surgical field. This makes it easier to visualize the gingival margin and achieve a smooth and controlled gingival architecture around the tooth. Now, clear the working field. The protocol recommends wiping away dehydrated tissue with moist gauze to maintain visibility. Here, the doctor efficiently uses a hand instrument to peel away the vaporized epithelial layer, revealing the clean, healthy tooth structure underneath. After completing the gingivoplasty and placing the new crown, the area is once again broadly irradiated using Mode 2. This final laser pass helps stabilize the surgical site. The CO2 laser gently seals small capillaries, which helps reduce any remaining bleeding and improves tissue stability around the crown margin. To create a harmonious and natural smile line, we repeat the exact same steps on the adjacent teeth to achieve beautiful symmetry. Keeping a slow, controlled hand speed ensures we get a clean ablation without causing excessive heat buildup in the surrounding areas. And here is the final result. Comparing the before and after, the gingival line is beautifully contoured into an ideal scalloped shape. A major advantage of this laser procedure is that it provides a virtually bloodless feel and minimizes trauma, allowing for an immediate progression to tooth preparation right after the gingivectomy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more clinical cases. If you would like to try the Yoshida CO2 Laser at your dental clinic, please call 703-543-2327 or visit dentalsolutionusa.com to request a demo.